Hello everyone. Today we are diving into the incredible world of the Samsung S25 Ultra and its cutting-edge AI features. AI Select. Just swipe out from the right side of the screen to open the Edge panel and tap the new AI Select button at the top. So here is the cool part. The phone analyzes whatever on your screen and gives you smart suggestions. For example, imagine you are watching a YouTube video. AI Select can suggest creating a GIF form from it instantly. No storage, no third-party apps, no extra steps, just pure convenience. Cross-app actions, a feature that combines tasks across apps with a single voice command. Think about how often you jump between apps to complete something simple. Now let's say an example. Find me a restaurant or hospital nearby and send the info in a text to my friend. And your phone handles it. It's powered by the combined technology of Bixby and Gemini, designed to simplify your daily routine. Trust me, once you start using it, this feature might become a habit for you. Number 3. AI Routines Smarter Automation. Let's say you wear a Galaxy Watch or Galaxy Ring to bed and often fall asleep with the TV on. Your phone can detect when you fall asleep on your wearable data and suggest setting a routine to automatically turn off your TV. Samsung is also making your mornings smarter with the Now Brief Widget. This isn't a completely new idea, but it's a more proactive and personal way to start your day. With Now Brief, you get a snapshot of everything you need, like weather, traffic updates, headlines, even your sleep data if you're using your Galaxy Watch or Ring. All organized on a single scrollable screen is a perfect way to kick off your day. Number 5. Webpage Summarization. If you love multitasking, you will appreciate the upgraded Webpage Summarization feature. Now, your phone can summarize content from any web page and even read it aloud for you with your permission, with your convenience.
We're using boosters, but how about building up the stages?
Number 6. Circle to Search. Circle to Search gets smarter with sound recognition. Beyond identifying on-screen content, it now listens to sounds. Say you are scrolling through social media and hear a catchy song in a video. Circle to Search can identify that song right then and there. It's like a Shazam but built right in your phone and works in more scenarios. Drawing Assist now supports prompts. Yes, you can sketch something simple like a rough outline of a cat and then use a prompt like fireworks to transform your artwork into something amazing. Pro Scaler. It can upscale 480 pixels content to look like 720 pixels and even make 1080 pixels videos appear close to 1440 pixels video. It's powered by Samsung's TV's technology and stays exclusive to the S25 Ultra. The S25 Ultra also supports QI2 wireless technology, that is for charging, but here is the twist. If you use Samsung's official magnetic cases, your phone can unlock faster wireless charging speeds of up to 25 watts. That's a big jump from the standard 15 watts, making it perfect for quick top-ups. Overall, the Samsung S25 Ultra is more than just a smartphone. It's an AI-powered companion that's designed to make your life easier, smarter, and more creative. From automating routines and simplifying daily tasks to enhancing your creative projects, this phone feels like a real step into the future. So, what do you think about the Samsung S25 Ultra? Please let me know in the comments below and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more awesome content like this.